Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. In today's video, we are going to start new lesson number 12, measurement. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify the units of measurement of length, weight, volume, temperature, time, and you will be able to explain the things needed to measure length, weight, volume, temperature, and time. So this lesson is all about the measurement and calculations. Okay, let's see with the short story. Celebrating Grandpa's birthday. Benny and Aman are going shopping for Grandpa's birthday today. These two children are going for shopping to buy a gift for Grandpa's birthday. They want to buy materials to make a shirt. They want to buy the cloth material to make a shirt, a wrapping sheet for packing, and ribbon for gift wrapping. Benny is going to bake a cake for him, and Aman is planning to make mango ice cream for Grandpa. So this is how they are preparing for a birthday celebration. Then what are the things that Benny and Aman will need? They make a shopping list. Will they need anything else? Add it to the list. So for the party, they are making shopping list. Let's see what is the list and what are the things given in that. If some other thing we feel it is needed, so we can write in this empty columns. So they need cloth, means cloth material, 2 meters and 500 centimeters, mean 2.5 meters. Ribbon, they need ribbon 2 meters for decoration. Sugar 1 kg for cake. White flour for cake 500 grams. Corn flour they need 100 grams. Mangoes 1 kg. Milk 1 liter. And cream 250 ml. So what can be other things which are needed in this party or in this shopping list? So we have added two more things. Cherries 200 grams, and they may need wafers for decorating cake 100 grams. Okay. Now their mother drives 3 kilometers and 500 meters to the market. Now they are going to market and they have to cross the distance of 3 kilometers and 500 meters for going to market. They walk into the clothes store. Benny chooses a brown striped material for Grandpa's shirt. Mother asks the shopkeeper to give them 2.5 meters of cloth. So during shopping, they need 2.5 meter cloth for making shirt. The shopkeeper measures the cloth with the measuring tape. It is marked in centimeters. Okay, so this type of tapes which you might have seen at the tailor shop, or when you go to buy the clothes, you might have seen this type of tape, or for measuring the different other things, you might have seen this type of tape also. So these all things are used for measuring the length of anything. Okay, so here the shopkeeper measures the cloth with the measuring tape. This type of tape he is measuring with. It is marked in centimeters and meters. So this tape is marked with centimeters with small lines. You can see these lines indicates the centimeters measurement. And when we count 100 centimeters, it means 1 meter. So let's see these measurements in detail. Measurement of length. The standard unit of measurement of length is the meter. So how we measure the things, length of something, length of a cloth or table or anything which we are measuring in the length. So its unit of measurement of length is meter. How we measure it? By the meter. All types of lengths are measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. So in that, smallest unit is millimeter. Okay, smallest unit is millimeter, then centimeter, then meter and kilometer. So this is the increasing order in which we measure the length. Smallest unit is millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay. Small lengths are measured in centimeters and larger lengths are measured in meters. Long distances are measured in kilometers. We can measure the length and width of windows and doors in our homes. We can also measure the sizes of clothes to be given to the tailor for stitching them. So write the names of 5 other things you can measure with the measuring tape. What are the things you can measure? You can measure your desk on which you are sitting. Okay. You can take the measurement of your classroom. Okay. And you can measure your writing table. Okay. You can also measure your playground. Okay, these are the things which you can measure by the measuring tape. We can measure very tiny lengths in millimeter. So as I told you, the smallest unit, very tiny length in millimeter. The relations between millimeter, centimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer are given below. So here the proper calculations, how you should calculate these measurements are given. So here let's see, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, or else you can calculate like this also. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, now we will see measurement of weight. So here we have seen the measurement of length. To measure the length of anything, like with the scale tape, even we can measure the size of the book also. See, in this way we can measure by seeing these readings in centimeters. Okay, so now let's see measurement of weight. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. A beam balance and an electronic balance are used to measure weights. You might have seen this type of beam balance at the shops or the vegetable sellers or vendors. They use this a simple beam balance for measuring the weight of fruits and vegetables. So here is electronic balance for measuring the weight. It can measure even the smallest quantities also. For the solids and for the with the things which are in the form of powder or whatever the weights, even the smallest unit it can measure. So Benny and Aman run to the grocer. They pick up of 1 kg sugar, 1 kilo sugar and half kg of white flour and 100 grams of corn flour. Weight of all solid things is measured in grams. So we are talking about solids which are measured in grams. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. So here 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, means 1 kilogram. In generally we say that 1 kilo. Okay, 1 kilo is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, So Aman chooses some mangoes at the fruit seller shop. Please give me 4 mangoes. He says, no, says the fruit seller, I sell them by weight. How much do you want? 1 kg or more? So Aman asks him to weigh for 4 mangoes. They weigh 1 kg and 400 grams. So when he took 4 mangoes, its weight was 1 kilogram and 400 grams. So vegetables and fruits are weighed in kilograms. Okay. So children, that's it for today's video. We have seen today measurement of length and measurement of weight. In the next video, we'll continue this lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.